Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is letter U. U sounds A. U sounds A. This is our capital U. This is capital U. This is small u. This is small u. U comes after T. U sounds A. U sounds A. U, A, umbrella. U, A, umbrella. U says A says umbrella. U, A, under. U, A, under. Under मतलब होता है नीचे. U, A, uniform. U, A, uniform. U, A, umpire. U, A, umpire. U sounds A. Let us start understanding how to write letter U. For letter U, you just have to use a curve from one point to the other. Start from one point, make a small standing line, then curve it to the upwards direction. Yes, this is capital U. This is capital U. U, A. Now, let us understand how to make small u. Just make a curve like this. Make a curve like this. Now, make a small standing line like this from the top to the bottom, closing the curve and little slanting outwards. Yes, this is small u. This is small u. That's all students for today's concept of letter U. U sounds A.